Hi guys! I'm going to send the Balikbayan box to my family in the Philippines. So I'm going to show you how to pack a Balikbayan box. These are the stuff I have accumulated, and most of these stuff are from Aldi grocery store. And I like buying in Aldi because most of their stuff there are cheaper compared to the other grocery stores. So what I bought are chocolates. I got loads of chocolates. Like these ones. They are half price. So my family would love it there, and whenever you send the Balikbayan box, you always have to put chocolates. And then I've got this as well, like corned beef. They really like it there. Yeah, and then some shoes, half price. And then Aldi also got special buys, and like this one. This is cheap. This is like only $10, and in the middle they have like an area there where you can buy all these, special buys. So this one, and then this one is also from Aldi. It's really cheap compared to when you go to like a clothing shop. Yeah, like shampoos, also really cheap. Then peanut butter, pistachios. This is special buy as well from Aldi. Vitamins like this. This one is not from Aldi. This one is from a pharmacy, and half price as well. And then some teas. They don't really have a lot of selection there for teas in the Philippines, so I got a variety of teas. Some cookies. Have a few perfumes here as well on sale. And then just a mix of old clothes, and then some clothes that I bought from Aldi as well, like this. It's like a cardigan. And the clothes from Aldi is like cheaper compared to the other shops. They're like half the price or way less. So yeah, it's good. I got this like for my mother for when she go to the shop. A shop box. A shop box, yeah. It's collapsible. So now I'm gonna put this in the box. I'm gonna start packing. First thing, I put a garbage bag at the bottom just in case something from the inside gets spilled. Then I'll put the hard stuff that won't break on the sides of the box. The ones that are liquid, like body wash, shampoo, conditioner, honey, like this stuff, perfume, I covered the top with clear tape around it and make sure it's sealed so that it won't leak. I have this bag here, and I'm gonna put all this liquid stuff in this bag. This is like an extra protection just in case something gets spilled. These ones are perfumes. It's good. It's already covered with paper around it. The ones that are glass, I'm gonna put it in the middle so that it won't break. But first, I'm gonna cover this with cloth. Then I'll add some old shoes. I'm sending a lot of stuff like this, corned beef and ham, because my mother loves it. And then same for chocolates. Filipinos love chocolates. So I'm sending loads of this. shared pack so that she can give it to some of my relatives. And then I decided to buy different kinds of chocolates, like this one. This is Australian Tim Tam, so it's like chocolate biscuit. It's really yummy. Some chocolates from Aldi, like this one. This one is from Europe, so all the way from Europe. I've got this as well. This one is Italian biscuits. It's covered with chocolate. I love this one. This is my favorite. I'm sending loads of chocolates so that my mother can share it to others. And chocolates are expected to be in the Balikbayan box, so that's why I bought loads of them. And same for the corned beef and the ham as well. Lamington in Australia is a popular food. It's not this one, but it's like the lamington is a cake, and then it's covered with chocolate and some shredded coconut. It's really yummy. And this one is just like a cookies with, yeah, lamington flavor cookies. Pistachios. There are no pistachios in Philippines, and this is so yummy. So I'm gonna send one to my mother. Cocoa powder, I'm gonna send 2 so that they can make hot chocolate there. Then shoes for my parents, because the shoes there in Philippines are always expensive and they never go on sale. We got some shoes for them, and yeah, they're gonna be happy with this. And I've got kitchen stuff here as well to send for my mother, and they are cheap, half price, reduced, and they are really good quality because they're from Aldi. And then socks from Aldi as well. It's for my father. I've labeled it so that they know it's for my father. And then I'm just gonna cover this with the clothes on top, and then that will be it. I downloaded this declaration form online. I'm going to complete this and declare all the items that I'm going to send, including the old ones. I'm also going to declare each value of the item. So after I finish this, I'm gonna put 1 copy inside the box for Bureau of Customs to check later on if they want to check the box, and then 1 for the consolidator and 1 for myself. Now I'm going to tape this up, and yeah, it's all good to send to the Philippines.